China says Xi and Biden's 2-hour call focused on the need for peace in Ukraine. This was the call I was talking about yesterday.
Yeah, they had it last night.
I told you they were going to talk. You were skeptical. I said, no, man, they're going to chat.
I didn't know when.
Yeah, that's all. President Joe Biden spoke to Chinese President Xi Jinping for nearly 2 hours on Friday morning to discuss the Russian invasion of Ukraine. The call was seen as a critical test of whether Biden can convince China to turn down Russian requests for military and economic aid. It was unclear from an initial Chinese government readout of the call whether Biden had succeeded. I mean, even just the two of them talking is like from a symbolic standpoint. Look at the way both of them have both flags.
Mm-hmm. That's respect.
Also, look at the people watching in the restaurant in the karaoke or whatever it is. That's a big screen in a restaurant in Beijing. They even have the digital drum set up there.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what type of performances happen. There's a keyboard stand. There's live music happens there.
Yeah, maybe it is a karaoke bar.
Something like that. But I can also see the way the tables are set. I mean, first of all, I'm hungry looking at this. They're sitting in the restaurant. They're watching Biden. You know, they're watching Xi, and they're having a time. Mm-hmm. Like, let's see what they're saying. So they put it on the big screen like it's a Super Bowl over there. The call was seen as a critical test of whether Biden can convince China to stay on the sidelines of the conflict in Ukraine. According to the readout, yes. The White House has yet to issue a formal readout of the call, but said it began just after 9 a.m. and lasted just shy of 2 hours. It is an unusually long time for a presidential call. Well, these are unusual times that we're living in here. The world is neither peaceful nor tranquil, she reportedly said to Biden, and the Ukraine crisis is not something we want to see. She also reportedly expressed his belief that conflict and confrontation are not in anyone's interest, and peace and security are what the international community should treasure the most. The Chinese summary of the call said Xi told Biden that the U.S. and China, as permanent members of the UN Security Council and the world's two largest economies, must not only lead the development of China-U.S. relations on the right track, but also shoulder our due international responsibilities and make efforts for world peace and tranquility. Okay, I don't know, Will. I mean, maybe there's code words in here, but I don't know, Will. That sounds pretty straightforward to me. It sounds pretty unanimous to me.
Yeah, that they both want peace.
I don't know what type of code words you're reading in there, if any, but I'm telling you, what did people want from this call that didn't happen there? Did this have the pieces that people wanted? I heard the word peace a number of times.
Mm-hmm.
Is it shrouded? Is it clouded? Is it foggy?
I hope not.
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, we need to see. I guess we need to read the readout. We need the readout. The White House hasn't issued their version of it. I guess we need the readout in order for us to make our determination of what's going on here. But yeah, it does seem that both parties are sort of on the same page, at least with that one word peace.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means behind the scenes, but you got flags. You got both flags. Mo's delivering to Popeyes. This is unbelievable. Live studio Popeyes. Never expected to see such a thing. That was incredible. I mean, I knew you were hungry. And but this has gone to another level. We've ordered Tim Hortons in the past, and now we've ordered Popeyes, which is, I don't know, some might consider that an upgrade. Anyways, look, hopefully they keep the dialogue going. Whatever the dialogue is, they keep the dialogue going and figure out a way.
Figure out a way.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Mm-hmm. I'm here.
That's all it took.
Yeah.
Damn, that was easier than I
There's
thought.
a way.
That was easier than I thought it would be.